After waiting 5 years plus, our BTO to be completed, our vision was simple. We wanted a home that felt warm, welcoming, and truly ours. We were drawn to the idea of cozy sanctuary that offers comfort after a long day. Our inspiration came from a minimalist home that focused on warm, earthy tones and natural texture. We lean into darker wood tones and rich textures, particularly through our choice of carpentry. To balance the depth, we choose lighter wall colors, creating a soothing contrast that adds both character and spaciousness to the space. We aim for a space where we could unwind easily, at home and feels calm. Our challenge was maintaining simplicity while ensuring the home still had depth and interest. It was easy to overthink or over-design, but Elvina helped us keep things refined. The biggest reward was stepping into a space that felt exactly like what we envisioned, a peaceful retreat. We approached a few interior designers for quotation, but Comfort Home stood out from the start. Their proactive approach, prompt follow-up, and professionalism left strong impression that initially responsiveness gave us confidence that we would be in good hands. While browsing online for inspiration, we stumbled upon a feature article of Pasir Ris home with the resort vibes that led us to Comfort Home's Instagram. We were further impressed by their consistent aesthetic and design sensibility. We felt incredibly lucky to have Elvina as our designer. She has an amazing ability to understand and interpret our needs, balancing functionality with beautiful aesthetic. Our ideas were creative yet grounded, and her transparent communication throughout the process made everything so much smoother. Our first meeting was with Aaron, and he was welcoming, patient and genuinely attentive to our ideas. What really stood out was how lucky the team responded to the quotation and thoughtful draft design that aligned with our preference, and importantly with our budget. We had a clear picture of what we wanted, but it's not always easy to communicate to someone else. During our first meeting, Aaron didn't rush us to give his own input. Instead, he listened carefully and took time to understand our priorities. When we saw the first draft, we were honestly so impressed. It felt like he had read our minds. The kitchen was probably the most complex area for us. There were so many practical elements to consider, from power outlets to appliance placement and drawer dimension. Elvina guided us through multiple drafts and helped us visualize the space better, which made decision making so much easier. Due to our toddler school requirement, we were a tight timeline. We were honestly amazed when Elvina and the team handed over the home within 3 months. Their commitment and efficiency were nothing short of impressive. Elvina and the team were exceptionally in these regards. We heard horror stories from friends about unresponsive ID, but our experience was in total opposite. Regular updates, clear communication and dedicated WhatsApp group men were always in the loop. My wife's favourite space was definitely the bathroom. She says she feels like stepping into a resort every time she walks in. There's something incredibly relaxing about being in that space. It's our little escape. Maybe it's because we genuinely enjoy a good shower, but it becomes a small daily luxury for us. The color palette, tiles, texture and overall layout give us a serene resort-like vibe. Elvina's styles recommendation was spot on. They play a huge role of creating a cozy, elevated feel. It's where we start and end our day, whether it's a quick morning routine or a long evening wind down. It's a space we use daily and love more each time. We will absolutely love our home. It's everything we hope for: comfortable, beautiful, uniquely ours. We couldn't be happier. Our expectations were largely shaped by the 3D design provided by Elvina, and honestly, the final results stay very true to those visuals. It is reassuring to see the design we fell in love came to life so faithfully. The workmanship is outstanding. Every details from the carpentry to the tile works reflects the high level of craftsmanship. One standout is the staff that seamlessly connects the living room and the kitchen. Initially, we unsure about adding it, but Elvina encourages us to go ahead. And we are so glad we did it. It's not just a visual anchor, but it's also a practical space where we showcase items we love.